Welcome to Joshua Tree National Park. Our first stop in Joshua Tree National Park is Ryan Mountain. It's supposed to be about 3 miles round trip, but it's well over 1,000 feet of elevation gain, so this might be a little bit tough, but we're up for the challenge. Check out these views on the way up. It's pretty much a natural staircase the whole trail so far, but the views are unbelievable, so I can only imagine what it's gonna look like at the top. I'm definitely glad I didn't do the Stairmaster this morning. We're almost there. The top is right up there. So I think we just have a few more minutes. Hulk is making his way up the mountain.
Mountain Hulk.
Almost there. Woo! We officially made it to the top of Ryan Mountain. I guess I'm in better shape than I thought because that wasn't so bad. So since we made it to the top, I get to add my very own rock to the rock pile. Take a look at this incredible view from the top. Wow.
So here we are on top of Ryan Mountain. Wasn't too bad of a hike actually.
I thought it was going to be a lot harder.
But the views from up here are stunning. We're just on the one side, but if you're standing directly on top, you get a 360 view of everything.
Here's a view from the other side of Ryan Mountain.
It is absolutely incredible. I don't think the GoPro really captures it, but it's just beauty. Especially from the top where you get 360-degree views of the whole park. And thank you for the suggestion, Josh from California Through My Lens. We owe this hike to you.
We're still on our way down from Ryan Mountain. We can't get over these views. It's absolutely beautiful. We're gonna try to hit up Barker's Dam and Hidden Valley when we get back down to the bottom.
She's a baby gazelle.
We made it back to the bottom. It took us about an hour and 45 minutes and we stopped to take a ton of pictures at the top. Stop number 2 at Joshua Tree National Park is Barker Dam. It's a 1 mile loop and I think we're gonna see some petroglyphs on this trail, so that should be pretty cool. We're hiking through this trail and I'm not gonna lie, I keep looking up and all I want to do is climb all of these rocks because they look so fun. We just arrived at Barker Dam and it is all dried up. No water today.
You can see the water level.
Yeah. So we didn't get to see the dam, but we definitely get to see some petroglyphs. Check these out. This is so amazing. We're just about back to the parking lot. That trail wasn't overly exciting because, well, those rocks are cool. The trail wasn't overly exciting because the dam was dried up, but I'm sure it's a lot cooler when there's water there. Stop number 3, we're headed out on the Hidden Valley Trail. It's supposed to be a 1 mile loop.
Here we are on the Hidden Valley Trail. And by the looks of all the people, it's not so hidden.
There's like 1,000 people here.
There's a lot of people here. But you can see why. Walking on another planet.
Yeah, it really does.
So of course, she can't just stay on the trail. She has to climb. And here she is, climbing on top of what really is crazy over here.
We finally made it to Skull Rock. I'm really hoping this looks a little better up close because from far away it definitely doesn't look like a skull. So this is the infamous Skull Rock. I definitely don't think it looks like a skull, but here it is. Now we are at Penguin Rock, which is in the Jumbo Rocks campsite right above number 18. Hi, Mr. Penguin.
So this is Michelle, waddling at Penguin
Rock. Bye-bye, Penguin. Time to do the Arch Rock Nature Trail. We're gonna see the Arch Rock and we're gonna try to find the Heart Rock as well. And here is Arch Rock. It is pretty awesome.
So this is Arch Rock, and of course Michelle is going to go on top of Arch Rock, and there she is.
Arch Rock! There's Gary in the middle of Arch Rock right now. Woo! Here's a cool view of Arch Rock from the backside. I'm trying to find Heart Rock and failing miserably. So our mission to find Heart Rock was unsuccessful and not for lack of trying. So we're headed back to the car. We're at the Cholla Cactus Garden. I think there's a 0.3 mile loop around. So we're gonna check it out. There are so many. There are warning signs all over not to get too close to these cactus because they could really hurt. Gary's yelling at me for going slightly off trail. And another trail complete. Our last stop of the day is to Keys View, and we're gonna try to hang around to catch sunset here because it's supposed to be pretty amazing. It's definitely really windy up here. Gonna have to go back to the car and get my fleece. The sun's about to go down in a few minutes. It is so cold. Bye bye, sun. Today was an amazing day at Joshua Tree National Park. I'm sure we will definitely be back one day soon.